Today we are unboxing a gadget that more than just a screen. It's smart, it's stylish, and it's packed with pixel power. It's Divoom Pixel 64, and you're about to see why it's going viral on the desks everywhere. So let's unbox this and see what we got inside. There we go. It was packed so nicely, and there is a bubble wrap on top of it, so just to make it secure delivery. And right off the box, it already feels so premium. Okay, so here is the box, and let's have a closer look to it. It's social media counter, crypto and stock trader, and it also can track your stuff, music visualizer, and pixel lighting decoration. The name is Pixel 64, and here is the branding on the box and here are some ways that shows like how you can use this thing, and there are some details about this in different languages. So let's open the box and see what we got inside it. Oh my god, so there is the unit itself, super lightweight, but let's see what we got more inside. So here is the booklet, like all the details about this product, and I have this little box. I'm gonna see what I got inside it. Oh, so looks like a cable, or maybe like charging cable or something. Okay, so type C cable. So like quickly I'm gonna review. So we got a type C charging cable, a quick start guide, and this thing. So let's take this thing out and put everything away from the screen now. So again, it's packed very nicely, lots of beautiful packaging. Okay, so we got everything for this one, but so just heads up, I got to know there is no power brick included, only the type C power cable. So I'm using my own. Okay, so using this, you can stand it up just like this. You can also use these holes to mount it up on the wall. So we have the power button right here. I'm going to show you. Here is the power button and the brightness, and we're going to put our charging, type C charging here. Crisp animation, bold color, and looks very hot even in daylight. So two buttons, I already showed, two buttons on the side to power it on and switch modes. So now I'm gonna download the Divoom app and we'll show you how to connect it. Okay, I already downloaded the app. Now it's time to connect the Divoom with my app. So it's already waiting for configure, and it's connected now. Using the Divoom app, you will get instant access to a cloud library here and here of the pixel art and animation and even mini games, or you can even draw your own. So if you want to draw something, so you can use this thing and it's gonna draw. I don't know what I draw, so it's just loading. I saw this very cute thing, and we have some more things here. So using this device, you can even put like countdowns and your YouTubers, subscribers, X followers, Bitcoin prices, weather, stock tickers, everything you want. It does that all. So great for your gaming setup, office wall, or live stream background. Add your social handles, countdowns, or just have fun with your daily art drops. So you can do that too. So the things I like it's super bright, smooth animation, and lots of free art. And there are like custom data widgets, and thing I didn't like about this thing is it needs external power, so no batteries. That's a con, and app can feel a little clunky at the first. Okay, so I'm gonna add my YouTube channel in it, and it's gonna show my real-time count in it, and there we go. So it's the date for today, my channel name, and my view count, real time, and the subscriber count all in one place. You can put it on your desk, and if you wanna see the other things like financial, I can also show you. So here are some like crude oil, so we can add this, and you can, so your crypto portfolio, all you can see in just one place. So fun, so easy, isn't it? Okay, so if you want something eye-catching, fun, totally unique, that is it. Whether you're a streamer, creator, or just want your desk to pop, the Pixel 64 is seriously addicting. So smash the like button if you love cool desk gear, and subscribe for more unboxing like this. This is Unbox Heaven, and I bring you the gadgets that you didn't know you needed.